here, Katie. What's going on? Why are you here?
Oh, not much. Hey, do you want to finish that drink for me?
What is this?
I'm not really sure. I just don't want it. I just don't feel
Not like I would
well.
say no anyway. Oh my God, is this Italian?
I don't know. I just can't finish it.
Why?
I just don't feel well.
Oh, okay. That's fine. I'll take care of it.
Alright.
Hey, it's almost midnight.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go join the
Alright,
party.
come on. Let's go.
Katie has mono and Ramon drank out of his drink, and now Ramon has mono. The question that's been posed is whether Ramon can sue Katie for getting mono. Short answer is probably. Long answer is it depends on the circumstances. In this situation, Katie informed Ramon that she was sick after he took the first drink, but even then he continued to drink. So that may be a question we'd have to get over. In any given case, you have to be able to prove one person gave mono to the other. Now, if you received mono from a public place, such as water fountains or such, it's hard to prove how you got it. Or if you shared a drink with a stranger, it's hard to prove who you got it from. In any given case, you have to be able to prove one person gave mono to you, and that was the only person who could have given it to you. There are other questions similar to these out there that we've seen recently in the media, such as it's been alleged by several women that Usher gave them herpes or an STD. And can those women sue now Usher? The answer is probably yes. It also depends on the circumstances. It all depends on the state you're in and the venue you're in. Also depends on the laws of the states. There are sometimes criminal implications for passing on STDs to another. If you knew you have it and you didn't inform the other person, there may also be some civil implications for that. So contact an attorney in your state and just see what it is that they can do for you. But in any given case, this New Year's, be careful. Be careful who you share a drink with. Be careful who you kiss at midnight.
I'm so tired. Girl, I need to sit down.
Hey guys, I think somebody's injured.
Okay. What we just witnessed is heavy partying and somebody passing out, spilling their drink or fluids, and another person walking by slipping and falling. Now, can the person who fell, in this instance Larry, sue the homeowner whose house they were at or a business? The answer is yes, they can. It is a slip and fall. How strong of a case they have, it all depends on how long the drink was on the floor, in what condition was the drink in. In this case, we saw that the drink was not on the floor for that long, but if it was a situation where the drink was on the floor for a longer period of time without it being attended to, without it being cleaned by a business owner or a homeowner, then the person who was injured as a result of the slip and fall may have a claim against the homeowner or the business owner. They would have to seek an attorney to help them out in their own particular state and in your own region or your area, so that they could essentially set up a claim with the homeowners or the business premises liability insurance coverage and go ahead and go from there, and if necessary, file a suit. In any given case, be careful this New Year's. Be mindful of where you're going. Look where you're stepping to. Don't slip and fall, as you could get hurt pretty badly.
Yo, so then she was like, "You want fries with that?" Oh, I forgot the keys.
Drunk driving. Don't do it. It is not fair to you, and it's not fair to another person. But if you are a victim of drunk driving, do call an attorney. You do have options. The person who is driving the vehicle may have car insurance. Everybody in the state of Texas is required to have at least $30,000 in policy limits. So for that reason, be sure to call an attorney so that they can help you effectively and maybe set up a claim with the person who hit you or hit your vehicle as a result of drunk driving. I'm Yesha Patel from the Brandy Austin Law Firm, and with the help of the Brandy Austin Law Firm staff, we were able to bring you this video. Do keep us in mind when you're selecting attorneys, and you guys have a fun New Year's, okay? And be safe. Bye.